Everyone, welcome back. Today I am going to speak about what is the average height and weight in girls and boys of age 10 to 14 years. Now there is a reason why I am talking on this. Previously I had sent a video on the diet chart and advice for children in the age groups of 10 to 14. A lot of people have seen the video, some of them have shared the video with their friends. So I've got a lot of inquiries whether a particular height and weight for a boy is appropriate, or is it more, or is it less. So I thought, let me get this Indian data for boys and then for girls, and then talk to you people about it. So if the children are below that or over that, then there is a problem and we should look into it. So let me now shift the focus from myself to the numbers I have jotted down. Initially, I will be talking about boys in today's episode, and the next episode I will be talking on girls, and I am focusing on the age groups of 10 to 14 years. If you look at this chart, there are many numbers written there. This is a boys chart. The first number is called third centile, the middle number is called 50th centile, and the last number is called 97th centile. Anybody below third means either they are under height or underweight. 50th is exactly the average, which means if you take Indian children, the average will fall on these numbers. The 97th centile, if somebody crosses in height, it means that that boy is very tall for his age, and if he crosses the weight of 97th centile, that means he is obese for that age. So ideally, your children should be preferably on the blue line. The black lines on both the sides indicate that either they are low for their age or higher side for their age. Now let us start with 10-year boys. If you look at the number, an height number is written as 123 centimeters and a weight of 21 kgs. The 50th is 136 centimeters and 31 kgs, which is the ideal for that age. And when we look at the 97th centile, it is 151 centimeters and 51 kgs. So here, if any of your children is 51 or above, they are definitely obese. If they are even 48 kgs and above, they are already in the overweight category, and we should do something about them to prevent them from becoming obese. I hope you got a hang of what I am saying. So I'll be going now for the 11 years child. So 11 years child, the lowest in India would be 127 centimeters, and they will weigh 23 kgs as the least cutoff. An average child would be 140 centimeters tall and would weigh 35 kgs. So the tall boys would be 157 centimeters, but the obese kids will be 58 and above. So any 11-year child who weighs 53 kgs, which is 5 kgs below 58, already is in the overweight zone, and if he has crossed 58, he is definitely overweight. Let's come to the 12 years category now. The third centile for height is 131 centimeters, and the third centile for weight is 25 kgs. Ideal weight and height, the 50th centile for 12 years is 146 centimeters and 39 kgs in weight. So the tall boys at 97th centile will be 163 centimeters and the heavy kids will be 66 kgs. So 66 kgs for a 12-year boy is obesity, and anybody above 60 kgs at 12 years of age is overweight. When we come to 13 years, you can see that puberty has started. So there is a little jump in the growth. So the height for the third centile itself is 139 centimeters and the weight is 28 kgs. The average for this age group is 154 centimeters. This roughly corresponds to 5 feet 1 inch and 43 kgs. So the tall boys, they will be around 169 centimeters and the heavier kids will be 72. So again 7 kgs minus this, which is 65 kgs and above, they are overweight and need to watch. They should not become further obese. At 14 years, the third centile for boys is 147 centimeters and the weight is 31 kgs. The 50th centile corresponds to 164 centimeters and 48 kgs. The tall boys are 179 centimeters. This is almost 5 feet 11 inches and heaviness is 78 kgs. So these boys, if they have crossed 70 kgs, they are already overweight for 14 years. So what am I trying to convey through this chart? I think we should take this chart as a reference value for your kids. This data is exclusively from Indian kids. So now people who are in the average, they are fine, nothing to do. There is the diet chart which I have already prescribed. They should look into that. Anybody who are near the third centile, I think we should have a chat with these parents. We should see what else we can add in the diet, how else can we supplement proteins so that they reach a better growth. We have to remember that between 12 to 14 years, the peak puberty in boys start, and most probably their growth will stop by 17 or 18 years. So this is the time we need to catch and give them the ideal diet so they grow as much possible. People who are in the 97th centile, if they are tall, there is nothing much to do. They should be on maintenance of whatever the parents are doing. They could continue to do that. However, if they are heavy or overweight, these are the warning signs. We should look out for them. Again, it is worthwhile reaching out to me. We should individualize their diet charts to see how we can prevent them from becoming obese. We also should try and put them on some exercises and diet plans so that they remain to grow tall whilst not putting on much weight. So I hope you like this video. If there are any comments on this video, please get back to me. Shortly, I'll also shoot a similar video between 10 to 14 years for girls. Thank you.